Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change background color on iPhone keyboard. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is go to your App Store and then search for the Google Keyboard or Gboard. So click on this one and start install it to your device. After that, open the app, and then what you're going to do is click on Get Started, and then you're going to set up your Gboard and allow full access to your device. So click on the keyboards and turn on the Gboard, and then let's proceed now to the application. To enable the Gboard on your keyboard, just press the globe button right here and switch to Gboard. And then if you want to change the background of the keyboard, you can now go to the app and then click on the theme, and now you can choose different types of backgrounds of keyboard here. And then that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you, and if it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.